What about starting the ad with the brand name and pin it? Yes, so if you are running for a branded campaign, then pin the headline one for sure. Because if Roto-Rooter is my branded keyword, so branded keywords or branded terms, we always keep them as a separate campaign for two reasons. First of all, we don't want the budget to be used up by non-branded keywords, because non-branded keywords will always have a lot higher search volume than a branded one. And secondly, so we don't get limited by budget. For branded campaigns, always remember, never be limited by budget, because people have gone to Google and put in your name, Roto-Rooter or whatever it may be. They know exactly what they want to look for, where to go to. Buy Nike running shoes. They know that they want to buy the Nike brand and not just any other running shoes. So always create a campaign for the branded terms, and the branded campaigns are separate. And ideally, in our agency, we want unlimited budget for that, because they convert very well. It's not about throwing and wasting the client's money. Absolutely not. It always converts very well, and that is your most profitable uh, campaigns as well.